Creating announcements on your home page is fairly straightforward. You will see the announcement bar right here. We can just click on this link, create an announcement. We're going to start with a welcome message for the students. And if you look here, there's a toolbar that you can explore. Most of it's for editing text, but the insert stuff is probably the most versatile one. If you click on that, you'll have different things that you can insert within your announcement. Pictures, links, etc., etc. Alright, so this is where you're going to put in the body of your message. I am always going to show the start date. You can choose not to. I generally like to leave this on so the students know when the announcement was posted. Also, you can preload a lot of these announcements for yourself. So if you want to, have them released at certain times of the semester, just to kind of give general feedback or timely information, you can do this all ahead of time as well. Remove announcement based on end date. That's fairly self-explanatory. Most people just leave them on there, and the students are able to hide the announcements if they so choose, if they feel that it's getting a little cluttered for their taste. I typically wouldn't recommend having an end date on there, but it is entirely up to you. Alright, you can also attach your files, so if you want to attach your syllabi to this as well so they can download it, you can also do that in the content area. And there's also release conditions. We'll cover this more in depth in a later video. So going on here, we'll hit publish. And with that, I'm going to go to course home, and we'll be able to see the announcement we just created. Alright, I'll do one more quick one here just so we have that. And I just wanted to be able to demonstrate how we can create another one here real quick here. Go to announcement tool or new announcement. And what I'm going to do is give the students a little feedback here. There we go. Always show the start date, remove announcement, skip over all that, hit publish. And if we go back to course home, we can see now I've got feedback. The previous post was done 3 minutes ago, and it is at the bottom. So as you add more posts, they will push down the older ones and keep the newest ones up top. Alright, if you have any further questions, if you need extra help, please give Caleb or I a call.